Okay, so right now we're going to go over TEK 5.3e, which is on multiplying decimals. So I wrote out a little example for you of how one of the word problems may look like on the star, okay? Doesn't mean that this exact problem is going to be on there, but this may be how they may represent a problem where you will need to multiply decimals, okay? So let's go ahead and read it. Graciela earned $7.50 per hour for washing dishes at a restaurant. If she washes dishes for 11.5 hours, how much does Graciela earn? So on the star, what you should be doing is underlining or circling. For me, I'll circle, okay? The important and key parts of the word problem. So I know that she earns $7.50 per hour. And if she washes dishes for 11.5 hours, it wants to know how much does she earn. So I know that if it's per hour and this is how much she works, then I need to go ahead and multiply. So I already set that up here for you. Okay, so notice how I did not actually line up my decimals. That's because whenever I multiply decimals, I do not have to worry about the decimal until after I am done multiplying. Okay, so I'm going to start off from the far right here. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so I need to put my 5, carry my 2 over. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2. That would be 37. Okay, what I like to do is cross out the numbers up here because I already used them. Okay, and for you guys, we always like to have you write a little X as a placeholder. Now we're in a different number. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. Okay, I am done with this one. Now I need 2 placeholders. Okay, treat these, regardless that we're multiplying decimals, treat them like we're multiplying out whole numbers. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. Okay, now we need to go ahead and add. And instead of getting confused, we can go ahead and just add zeros wherever there's a number missing. That way we can keep our numbers together. So I'm going to drop down my 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, so 2, carry my 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. And then 7 plus 1, that is 8. Okay, now in order to know where to place my decimal, especially when multiplying, I'm going to go ahead and erase this. That way we can go ahead and see this clearly. Is to look at the decimals, the numbers after the decimal. When I say after, that means all the numbers to the right of the decimal. Okay, so up here we have 2 numbers after the decimal. For this one, we have 1. So that's 3 jumps, right? So I start from the far right, move to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Add my decimal here. So Graciela earned $86.25. Okay, if she earned $7.50 and she worked for 11.5 hours washing dishes, she earns $86.25.